Hello, my name is Andrew. I'm the service manager at Solar Forever in Perth, Western Australia, and this video is all about export limiting. In this screen you can see that the inverter is currently making 15.8 kilowatts from the panels on the roof. The battery is already 100% fully charged, so there's nothing going to that. 4.4 kilowatts of solar power is going to loads in the house, and therefore the surplus 11.4 kilowatts is being exported into the grid. Now a 1.5 kilowatt export limit has been applied. You can see that the solar production has dropped immediately down to 5.9 kilowatts, so that the total production is whatever the house loads are, 4.4 kilowatts, plus whatever the export limit is, 1.5, and that's all that the inverter will pull down from the panels. And that's it. Export limiting explained. What it basically means is no matter how much panel power you've got on your roof and how sunny the day is, at the end of the day, all your inverter will pull down from the roof when it's export limited is the export limit, 1.5, whatever your house loads are, which would include whatever battery charging is required. Hope that helps. Bye.